Hi, I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. We all know that they say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But did you eat breakfast this morning? You know, studies show that over half of Americans skip breakfast on a consistent basis. So it is kind of my goal to show you some quick and easy breakfast ideas. What we're going to make today is a banana peach smoothies. Smoothies are a terrific way to incorporate fruit and dairy into our diet. This banana peach smoothie uses 1 can, and this is a 15-ounce size can of peaches with the juice in it. So I'm just going to pop this open and put it in our blender. When we are using the blender, we want to be sure that we put our foods that have a liquid in them in first, so they are at the bottom of the blender around the blades. Then we need 1 cup of yogurt, and I like to use Greek vanilla yogurt. I love the flavor of it, and it is really good in this smoothie recipe. So 1 cup of yogurt, and again I'm using the Greek vanilla. We need 2 bananas, and I just cut these in about 1-inch chunks. Drop them in the blender. Get the other one in. Now, we are going to blend these 3 ingredients together. And then we're going to add some vanilla and 2 cups of ice cubes and give it another quick blend. And our banana peach smoothie will be done. All right, pop the lid on. Easy, easy. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And our 2 cups of ice. And that's it. Our banana peach smoothie is done. Here you go to a quick and easy breakfast. Remember, let's make life special by sharing great food with our family and friends. Enjoy.